Okay, so how's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing great. So here's part 4 to the making of 381, and I've just completed the front and rear pilots and the fuel tank. I'll just take you through it quick. So here you can see the ditch lights are finished with an MU stand. I also made this front pilot step as well. And then you can see the little packing out of the stanchions right here that I cleaned up, and that fits perfectly in between like that. Then we have the coupler bar, which I think was by Detail Associates. Fun job getting all 4 of those little holders in place. And then here's the Kato plow, which is revised and cut and modified with the little brass handles there. Then you got the MU hose hatches folded down, and then you have the casing around the coupler box here on the plow. Okay, and then you can see on the rear it's the same, really. Okay, identical ditch lights on the rear, plow, everything's the same there. And then as you can see here, I've modeled, super detailed the inside of the cab. So that'll be lit as well. So, but this will come off, and the cab's going to be screwed to this frame, so I can get it on and off, so I can troubleshoot areas there that it might arise. And then I'm going to have the windows open on the side, and then this door will also be open, and then this window will be open as well. So I want to be able to see inside the cab. This is a Canon & Company thin wall cab, for those of you that know about these. You can still get them. They're just fantastic. The thin wall scale, they're just beautiful cabs, the detail, and just really nice to work with. The fits beautifully. Really nice cab kits if you're doing switchers like SW1200s, SW900s, and so on, and SD-2 models. Okay, so that's that for the pilots. Now here's the tank. So I just want to talk about this tank quickly. So what I had to do is I had to mill the frame, as you can see. This is not the funnest part of the job, but it has to be done, otherwise the tank won't fit when you shorten it. Because the tank on 381 is a 3,200 gallon. As opposed to a 4,000 gallon tank that's common on SD-40-2s and so on. A lot of the SD-38s had them, but 381 had the 3,200 gallon one, and it was shifted forward so the air tanks hang over. As you can see here, the air tanks hang over the back of the tank like that. And then you can see the detail that I added that's similar here with these air cock valves and hoses and gack, and I don't know if that shows in the camera, but there's gusset work under there and plates, and a plate down here, and some pipes running up the back side. So I managed to model all that here as well, because it's fairly significant, because you'll see that because of the open space here. It shows on the model quite evidently. And then the clips were maintained on the air tanks here as well, so that it holds the tank in place like it did originally. It just snaps on. And there you have the tank. And then the frame drops on here like this. Right. So there you. She's coming together. Thanks for watching.